and I'll tell you why. So her testosterone, her total testosterone is super high, but if we look here to epitestosterone and free testosterone, the active form of the hormone that the body actually utilizes, we can see that it's scraping the bottom of the barrel. It's not being converted. All of this testosterone that we're seeing up here is not being made into its active form down here. And then she's also got this alpha form of an androgen, that metabolite, that's super, super high. And so it's kind of doubling down on those side effects and those symptoms that she's already having. And so what we need to do here is we need to look to the liver to figure out why that transaction is not happening. Why is the liver feeling bogged down? Why is the liver feeling like it can't convert hormones into their active form? That's what we really need to get to the root of here with this particular client. And I see this a lot, especially in people that when they started hormone replacement therapy, they felt really good initially, and then all of a sudden the tables turn and they're not really able to get their feet back under themselves. Of hormone dysfunction and figuring out exactly what is going on and what's actually going to work for you for the long haul, then please comment consult, and I will send you the link to book your free wellness consultation.